There's the babies. It's a little boy and a little girl. And the firstborn, green is first. I guess red meant stop. And the girl was last. It's February 20th, so they're 2 days old now. You can hear the little baby noises. There's a little boy. It's the all black one. And there's their little faces. You can definitely tell the wavy from the curly.
Come here. There you go.